So here at Libs, we offer asphalt paving. That ranges from a wide variety of things, from milling and paving of a parking lot to a county road to a state road. We will perform residential paving that could be from a new construction driveway from the ground up to a mill and overlay to a simple prep and overlay. As far as parking lots, they can be the same thing. We can construct a brand new parking lot from the ground up. We can mill and pave your existing parking lot, or a simple prep and pave, depending on drainage and various issues we might find on the job. At Libs, we focus on our customers' needs, and we try to meet those needs. That's one of the uniques that we have that sets us apart from other companies around. We have customers that call and need something done yesterday, so we move things around, we make it happen, get it done. And there's other customers that are flexible with us. We can work with us. Some customers want work done on Saturdays. Some customers want it done in the morning, some in the evening. So we try to be flexible to meet our customers' needs and what's going to benefit them the most, and not impede their customers, their workflow, whatever it is. If you call Libs Paving, the first step is going to be for you to go to a sales representative. That sales representative is going to get in contact with you. He's going to follow our proven process. He's going to come meet with you on site, see what your needs are, give you options based on what you have, and he's going to get you a quote.